Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning to all. My name is Muhammad Firas bin Faisal, and I'm here to present my final year project research that is about the effect of sand-cement ratio to the performance of strength waste treatment sludge mortar. Let me introduce you to what is waste treatment sludge. Waste treatment sludge is a hazardous waste produced from purifying water that has been identified as a potential alternative ingredient in making concrete or any other building material. The source is mostly from surface water that is collected by several dams, rivers and lakes and treated at nearby water treatment plants. We collected our sludge from Lembaga Urus Air Selangor at Bukit Badung. We actually want to know what is the effect of sludge towards the mortar. Okay, now is for the objectives. Okay, firstly is we want to investigate the possible use of sludge as partial replacement of sand in mortar properties. So this one we want to know whether sludge is suitable or not for the replacement of sand in mortar properties. The second one is we want to investigate the potential use of the water sludge cakes in mortar properties as building materials. This one is more we want to know about the potential of sludge in mortar properties, whether it's good or bad for building materials. And now is for the problem statement. The problem is sludge disposal has become a global problem, which it is a necessity to look for alternative use of sludge, and that's why we are going to use sludge in our research, because nowadays people are more to green construction, right? We want to save the environment, so that's why we are going to use sludge as an alternative for the building materials. As you can see, there are three materials that we are going to use. The first one is cement, and the second is fine aggregate, that is sand, and the third one is water treatment sludge. This is the method that we are going to use. First is mixed proportion. We are going to use 1:3 and 1:6. And then for the compressive strength is to measure the strength of our product that we produce. And as you can see, that is the machine that we're going to use. Okay, this is table 1. That is to show the elements in our Portland cement with using EDXRF analysis. Okay, the next one is table 2. That is grading of fine aggregate. The cause of this is to know whether the fine aggregate or sand is suitable or not for our mortar mixtures. After that is table 3 and table 4. Table 3 is the mixed proportion for 1:3 ratio, and table 4 is the mixed proportion for 1:6 ratio. As you can see that there are 6 samples for each mixed proportion. There are 0% of sludge, that is for control, then 2% of sludge, 4% of sludge, 6% of sludge, 8% of sludge, and 10% of sludge. This is table 5, the elements that in water treatment sludge, with using the same method, that is EDXRF analysis. This is figure 1, that is the result of compressive strength mortar from 1:3 mix ratio. Each sample will have 2 products that we produce, that is for 7 days and 28 days for curing. First thing is for 0% of sludge, that is control. And then next to it is the 2% of sludge. As you can see, the strength of when we put the little bit of sludge, the strength is increased. But when we put more and more sludge, the strength is decreased. For me, I think maybe the possible lack of effective bonding within the particles size of mortar that makes the strength decrease. This is figure 2, the result compressive strength mortar from 1:6 mix ratio. The result from 1:6 mix ratio is not as good as 1:3 mix ratio. The strength of 1:6 mix ratio is low, but the effect of sludge towards the mortar is still the same. I mean, like when we add more and more sludge, the strength is still decreased. For significance of study, with the addition of sludge will improve the properties of mortar. As you can see from figure 1, the compressive strength of 1:3 mix ratio, The 2% of sludge is at the peak strength of our project, and it also to reduce the environmental impacts such as pollution, waste generation, and more. For the conclusion, as the water treatment sludge replacement percentages increase, the composite strength decreases due to the possible lack of effective bonding within particle sizes in mortar. As I said earlier, the more sludge, the less strength. For the references, as you can see, there are many references that we have and we collected all. There are some is from Selangor Waterworks. Okay, alright, that's all for my video presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm sorry for any inconvenience or any mistake. Yeah, I want to say thank you to my leader and my project members who put an effort to make this work. I think I want to end my video with a quote. Struggle is a never-ending process. Freedom is never really won. You earn it and win it in every generation.